Hi guys, and we went here at Akaroa and we saw some Hector's dolphins there. And this is in New Zealand, and this is a cruise on a boat, and very majestic, very beautiful, and very bluish waters there. And there's different animals over there, and lots of they call it cat cruise that the boat we're going on, and it's a beautiful view that you can see on the waters there and the dolphins. And the Hector's dolphin is like a very small dolphin. We also saw some sea lions there, and that's the boat. And there's me waiting to board on the boat, and everybody else is also. And on the boat it says Black Cat Cruises, and this is a very well-known place. And there's the board there that says the book here, where we booked our ticket to go on the boat. There's us going on the boat with my aunties. There's the very blue waters and greens, and it's called Black Cat Cruises. And if you're in New Zealand, you should also go here, and because it's a very beautiful view. And there's like a story it's told, like what it is. And we enjoyed the view while we were on the cruise. And we saw other boats too there, different types of boats. Also, they told us like a story about like one of the mountains was about to be, that mountain there was going to be a volcano, but it's not anymore. And there's us there with my aunties, my lovely aunties, next to the water, and my mom. And that's the view. It's a very beautiful view if you see there. And there's my dad and my sister up on the ship. And that's the and we're in the front waiting to see any dolphins there. And there's me also waiting to see a dolphin. And that's what it looks like. This is a very enjoyable cruise that we went to, and the water is very clear, and we are amazed by the views there, and very beautiful waters and clear also. And there's my aunties again. And there's different colors of blue in the water also, and we saw some Hector's dolphins that are coming up, and the Hector's dolphin was like very small, but not really small, and it's coming right there, and that's the Hector's dolphin that we saw. It's very cute. Everybody was so excited to see the Hector's dolphin right there, as we can see. And we enjoyed seeing lots of dolphins. We also saw some sea lions there. And lots of dolphins kept coming up. And also we saw some sea lions. That's where we saw the sea lions. And we saw caves there. And that is like it looks like a cave with water in it there, and it's a very big one, and it's a very nice formation of rocks there, like different shapes of rocks, and like sea.
The back of the boat downstairs
and it's a very amazing view that we saw. And there's my dad and my sister. They are walking there, and that's Hector's dolphin as well and right there, that's 3 dolphins swimming together.
Chased by police on horseback all the way out here.
There's me looking out if there is another dolphin. And there was another dolphin again. There's a dolphin spinning around and there. And that's so cute and it's very amazing. And that's very cute and very amazing. And they're very cute Hector's dolphin. I enjoy the Hector's dolphin swimming in the front. There's lots of Hector's dolphins I saw. And there's me looking out if there is any more dolphins, but there is not. And the boat is very fast because we are heading back, and now this is not a speed thing. It was bumpy, but and they're just going really fast because we're heading back to and there is there's a hole. This was a very amazing view that you can see there. There is a hole in the formation of rocks there. And that's what it looks like. So another
The cat already spotted you on the front right hand side up below the rock. Don't worry, they are well camouflaged, but once your eyes adjust, you'll see one.
And we went to New Zealand for a sail there. And we passed by New Zealand for a seal, and that's where we saw a seal, and there's a seal right there. You can see there's lots of them in their habitats looking for food. Also, some are just relaxing. And that's the water there, and that's the currents, and that's the very beautiful water. And those are like the rock formations. And that's the place we went there. That's where we saw the sea lions. And that's when we headed back. And those are all. And that is the bird sanctuary. It's and we saw someone like looking for those birds, and those are the ones who are taking care of the birds. The water is very clear, as you can see, and that's a black cat cruises that we went on to. And thank you for watching, and please follow my page, CJ's Our Amazing World, for more videos and give me stars if you like to. Bye, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And this was the view inside the boat, and it had like a cafe there and chairs. Also, there is free hot coffee there, hot chocolate coffee there. And there's us as a family at the top of the cruise ship.